Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PS5 volume. First, confirm your television or monitor volume is turned up and not muted. This is often overlooked. Next, check your DualSense controller. Sometimes the mute button near the PlayStation button gets pressed accidentally. Also, ensure all HDMI and power cables are firmly connected to your console and display, as loose connections can cause sound problems. These simple checks can often resolve many volume issues quickly. Now, let's explore your PlayStation 5 internal audio settings. Go to the main settings icon on your home screen, then scroll down and select Sound. From there, choose Audio Output. Make sure your intended audio device, whether it is your television or a connected sound system, is correctly chosen. You can also adjust the Volume General slider to increase the console's overall sound level, ensuring it is not set too low. Let's focus on your external audio equipment. If you are using a headset, first try it with a different device, like a phone, to confirm it works correctly. Check for any inline volume dials or mute switches on the headset itself, ensuring they are adjusted appropriately. For soundbars or home theater systems, verify their separate volume levels and input selections. Sometimes, simply unplugging and replugging your audio device can reset the connection, resolving a temporary glitch. If previous steps haven't fixed the issue, consider more advanced solutions. You can try rebuilding your PlayStation 5 database from safe mode, which often resolves underlying software problems. As a final measure, a factory reset might be necessary, but remember to back up all your important game data first. If the problem still persists, reach out to PlayStation support. Their experts can provide personalized assistance. Always consult your console's official documentation for detailed information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.